Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. How are you guys? Good evening, everyone. How are you guys? Is everybody all right? Is everybody fine? Hello, everyone. Things fine. How are you feeling? Not that great. Still having a bit of fever. Uh, but cannot do anything about it. Just need to. I'm started to take up the pills and everything. I've taken up the medicines. Let's see how it improves or not. Right now, I'm having a bit of cough, but let's see how it goes on. Okay, what about you guys? Is everybody all right? What about you guys? Is everybody all right? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Somebody has come to meet you guys today. Okay, so Oscar is here to meet you guys. Let's meet Oscar right now. Let's Oscar. Meet everybody. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi, guys. No hi. Okay. Okay, guys. So, what have we studied in our previous class, guys? Could you guys let me know? What have we studied in our previous class, guys? Could you guys let me know? What have we studied in our previous class, guys? Could you guys let me know? We studied about CSS and coloring text. We studied about how to install CSS using internal CSS, inline CSS, and external CSS, right, guys? We studied about list elements, right? We studied about the image and everything, right, guys? Please let me know. Anything else that we have studied in yesterday's class? Please let me know, guys. Anything else that we have studied in our previous class, guys? Do let me know. Ordered and unordered list, right, guys? Saurav, if you're not attending classes, of course you're not going to get the certificates. It's as simple as that. Yes, yesterday there was no class. Today we are having a class. Okay, so what we are going to do right. Okay, I don't know what Oscar was doing. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to learn a little bit more about CSS itself. Okay, so basically measurements in CSS. So could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know? Have we talked about measurements of length of units in CSS, guys? Could you guys let me know? Have we talked about it? I don't think so, right? Okay, so we'll start from right over there, guys. We'll try to learn a little bit about class and ID as well today. So these are the two topics I want to complete today, guys. Let's see if we are able to do that or not. Okay, after 5 minutes, I will be taking up your first attendance, guys. My health is not that good, guys. I'm having a bit of fever, so I might be talking a bit slow, guys. But just bear with me. Okay, yesterday it was so bad that I was not even able to get up from my bed. Today as well, I'm having a lot of body pain, but I'm still here teaching you guys. So please make sure that you guys are not causing a ruckus. Try to understand as much as possible, guys, and we will be able to help you guys out with everything else. Okay. Okay, so I'll just create the attendance link. Sorry, I will just create the live chat right over here, and I will open up the paint in the other channel as well. Okay. So right over here, guys, what we need to understand. Okay, we will just first of all make this smaller. Okay. What we need to understand, guys, is the unit of measurements. Okay, so in your daily life, you use units of measurement like kilometers, right? You use meters, you use centimeters, you use inches. Okay, you use millimeters, and so on and so forth. So you use so many different units of measurements in your daily life, right, guys? Please let me know. You use so many different units of measurement in your daily life, right, guys? Please let me know, guys. So now what happens is these type of unit of measurements do not work when it comes to websites. Okay, when you're creating websites, you cannot use kilometers, meters, or something like that to create a website. Okay, one button cannot be that long. Okay, 1 kilometer long button or 1 kilometer, 1 meter long button, that cannot be the case. So you cannot use these type of units of measurement inside of web development. In web development, you have other units of measurements that are there, and that is what we are going to learn today. Okay, that is what we are going to learn today. Now, you can measure anything into two ways, guys. Okay, there are two classifications of units of measurements as well. One is called as relative, and the other one is called as absolute. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. There are two units of measurements, guys. Relative unit of measurement and absolute unit of measurement, guys. Now, what do I mean by relative unit of measurement? Let's take an example. Let's say that this particular road. So this is a road, guys. This is a road right over here. The width of this road is twice the width of the vehicle that is going on about it. 2 times the width of vehicle. Okay, the width of this road is 2 times the width of the vehicle going on about it, guys. So now the width of the road is dependent upon the width of the vehicle, right, guys? Please let me know. Okay, now the width of the road is dependent upon the width of the vehicle itself, guys. Please let me know. So if I say that two bikes, okay, so now the vehicle is a bike, so the width of the road will be very thin. Or if I say it is for car, then the width of the road will be a little bit more. If I say that the width of the road is for a bus, then it will be twice the width of the bus itself. So now it is relative. My width of my road is relative to the width of my vehicle, guys. So these type of units of measurements wherein you use some other object to measure your length is called as relative unit of measurements, guys. Okay, it's called as relative unit of measurements. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good. Now, if I say, okay, what is absolute unit of measurement, guys? If I say that the width of this particular road is 8 meters wide, is 8 meters wide, guys. Okay. So no matter whether a bike is going on this particular road, no matter whether a car is going on upon this particular road, no matter if a truck is going upon this particular road, the width of the road does not change. It always remains the same at 8 meters, guys. It always remains the same at 8 meters, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Good. So, relative and absolute unit of measurements, we are going to learn about both of them. Absolute unit of measurements actually does not need any kind of introduction to it. Okay, for example, centimeter is there, millimeter is there, inches is there. All these are also used in web development and also referred to as absolute unit of measurement. If I say that, okay, it is 4 pixels wide. Sorry, I'm apologize. It is 4 centimeters wide. It is 4 millimeters wide. It is 4 inches wide. All that is absolute unit of measurement, right, guys? It will not change no matter what is happening, right, guys? Please let me know. It will not change no matter what is happening, guys. Please let me know. That is an absolute unit of measurement. The only absolute unit of measurement that we are going to use, guys. So Honey is saying that the screen is blurred. Okay, I'm able to understand many of you guys were living under a rock for the past 18 years of your life, and you have not used YouTube at any particular point of time. So I'll help you out with the same as well. So inside of YouTube, on the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to see a gear-like icon. Okay, you can click on that gear-like icon, change the quality of the video to 1080p or 720p, and you will be able to see everything very clearly. If you're still not able to see things clearly itself, you can there must be some dirt or grease on your screen of your computer. You can just take out your mobile phone or your computer and rub it across with a microfiber cloth. If you're still not able to see it, then that means that there is some problem with your spectacles. Again, repeat the exact same process with your specs as well. You can wash your specs, or else you can use a microfiber cloth to clean it. You can wash your specs. Do not wash your mobile phone or your laptop. Otherwise, then you will be complaining to me that I told you guys to wash your computer and laptop. So all this will help you to see things very clearly. Okay. Okay. Now that the joke is over, let's continue with the studies. Just a second, guys. Or you are blind as well. If you are blind, then yes, you should get a surgery or something. Okay, it is the only thing that can then help you out. So right over here, guys, what we need to do is we need to create. Okay, we need to look into a absolute unit of measurement, guys. That is pixels. Okay, that is pixels, guys. This is what we are going to study. First thing that we are going to study, guys, is pixels. So when it comes to pixels, guys, how many of you guys know what is a pixel? How many of you guys don't know what is a pixel, guys? How many of you guys don't know what is a pixel, guys? Could you guys let me know? How many of you guys don't know what is a pixel, guys? Okay, so many people don't know what is a pixel. Okay, so let us go back to our internet itself. Okay, Google Images, PIX. So at any particular point of time in your life, if you would have sat very close to the screen of your computer itself, at any particular point of time, you must have tried that, right, guys? You must have sat very close to the screen of your computer itself, and you must have seen these type of rectangular structures on your computer, right, guys? Please let me know. You must have seen these type of rectangular structure on your computer, guys. Please let me know. You have sat very close to the screen of your computer or your TV. You must have seen these type of rectangular structures on your computer. Each of these rectangular structure is basically called as a pixel. It is the smallest unit of any device that you are able to see, any screen that you use. Whether it be your phone, whether it be your computer, TV, okay, whether it be your watch, okay, any particular thing that has a display to it. Okay, it is the smallest unit of a display is a pixel, guys. Okay, smallest unit of a display is a pixel, guys. So this is what you are able to see using your naked eye. But if you like, if you have a microscope or something like that, if you zoom into that image itself, you will be able to see that that image is made up of, so each of these box that contains a red, green and blue light, each of this box that contains a red, green and blue light is basically called as a pixel. Okay, it's basically called as a pixel. So whatever colors that you are able to see on your website, on your computer itself, that is basically made using these three colors itself. Okay, you can create any color in the entire world by using just these three primary colors, guys. Now, why can you do that? That is basically the color theory. Okay, if you want to create white, then switch on red, green and blue to its maximum intensity. It will create it a white color itself. Okay, if you are switching it off, if you switch off all the three colors, then it will give you a black color. If you want to show a red color, just switch on the red color. You can use a combination of intensities of this color to create any color on your entire life. Okay, you can create any color in your entire life, guys, that you have seen or you can create as well. Okay, so that is how good this is. And each of these pixels itself is the smallest unit of measurement, and the size of this pixel does not change. The size of this pixel does not change. It is 1 by 96th of an inch. That is the size of a pixel, guys. So one pixel, okay, this square that you were able to see right over there has a size of 1 by 96th of an inch. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. So if I say that a particular button is 400 pixels wide, if I say that a particular button is 400 pixels wide, that means that it uses 400 pixels as the width of its device itself, guys. Okay, each of these boxes, okay, 400 these boxes will cause the width of that particular device. Okay, that is what is meant by pixels. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Good. So now what we are going to do is we are going to open up our code sandbox, guys. We're going to open up our code sandbox. Okay, we are going to use our exact same template from yesterday. We are going to use the exact same template from yesterday, guys, that we had created. I think so. This was it. And then inside of CSS, inside of our HTML, first of all, we are going to put up an image right over there. IMG image tag. I'm going to create an image tag, guys, of a particular image from DevTown's website. I'm going to take up the DevTown logo itself, copy image address. Okay, I'm going to paste the link right over here. Okay. Sir, I have not registered for this class, but I have attended this from day one. Will I get certificates? Riya, yes, for this particular bootcamp, you will be able to get certificates. But guys, if you're attending this bootcamp, then you have to register yourself for all the upcoming bootcamps if you want to get a certificate out of them. If you have registered for this particular if you have not registered for this bootcamp, no issues, you'll still get the certificate. But for the future bootcamps, whatever bootcamp that you want to participate in, you will have to re-register yourself for that particular bootcamp. You'll have to re-register yourself for that particular bootcamp, guys. Otherwise, you will not be able to get the certificates. Okay, the next bootcamp that we are having is on hands-on cloud computing with AWS. Then you're having learn DevOps using for web development. You're having JavaScript and React.js. You are having Hotstar clone using HTML and CSS. You're having backend web development once again. You're having web animation using CSS. You are having hands-on cloud computing with AWS. Okay, you are having learn DevOps once again. You are having web animation using JavaScript, and then Google Drive clone using HTML and CSS. Okay, so all these different bootcamps we are going to take in. If you want to attend any further bootcamps, you will have to re-register yourself for that. Okay, you will have to re-register yourself for that, guys. I pasted the link on the live chat as well if you want to participate in the future bootcamps. Okay, you can just click on that particular website. I've already pasted the link in the live chat. Go to this particular website, choose the bootcamp that you want to register for, and just fill up a Google form to register for the same. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that. You just have to register yourself right over here. Just go to this website, guys, that I've provided you guys in the live chat. In the live chat, I have provided the link. Okay, in the live chat, I provided the link, guys. I have pinned the link above as well. I pinned the link above as well, as you are able to see. So you can utilize that to get into it. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Does the topics repeat or new topics is repeated every bootcamp? We try to make sure that we are able to install as many bootcamps as possible having new topics, but sometimes we also repeat the topics as well. Okay, will you conduct all these bootcamps? Yes, Vanshika, I will be the one who will be conducting all these bootcamps. To register for a bootcamp, guys, you just have to click on this particular link. Okay, in the live chat, as you are able to see, there's a link pinned in the live chat. You have to go to the website, guys. You have to go to the website. Whatever bootcamps you want to attend, just click on register for free. Okay, click on register for free itself, and then just fill up the Google form. Just fill up the Google form. You can join the WhatsApp groups as well that we are there if you want to get information about your future bootcamps as well. And then you just have to fill up your details right over here, and that's it. You will be able to register into the bootcamp directly. Okay, as simple as that. So if you want the certificates for the future bootcamp, yes, you will have to register yourself for the bootcamps, guys. Can first year join these bootcamps? Amisha, of course, you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so let's continue with the class, guys. Right over here, I will put up the image as well as the alternate text, that is DevTown. Okay, I will save it. I will go back to my website. Okay, I will go back. I will open up my website in a new page, guys. I will open up my website in a new page. Close this down. I'll go to my website, guys. Reload the page. As you're able to see, My image is coming up on my screen, guys. My image is coming up on my screen, guys. So right over here, I'm going to go into my CSS. I'm going to go into my CSS. I'm going to select the image tag. I'm going to select the img or the image tag itself. I'm going to set the width, okay, width width to 200 pixels, guys. I'm going to set up the width to 200 pixels, as you're able to see right over here. So I've selected the image tag, okay. I've selected the image tag and then I've set up the width to 200 pixels, guys. Okay, what is the option 1 and option 2 in the Google form? I think so they have been added by mistake, so you can just click anything and move on. Okay, so right over here, guys, as you're able to see, the image tag, we are able to put it up right over here. Okay, and you're having a width of 200 pixels there. Okay, so now if I go back to my website, as you're able to see, as soon as I reload my page, okay, the size of the DevTown logo is now 200 pixels. The size of the DevTown logo is now 200 pixels, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Can I register for one or more bootcamps? You can register for all the bootcamps, they will love. That is totally up to you. Okay, but now if I change the width of my website, guys, the width of my DevTown logo is not changing. Are you guys able to see it? It still remains as 200 pixels. Even if I change the width of my DevTown of my browser, the width of my DevTown logo still remains 200 pixels. It is not changed with the width of my website. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know, guys. So what will happen is that, guys, that is the default with your absolute unit of measurements, guys. That the image, no matter if you're seeing it on a, so if you're seeing an image on a TV, okay, if you see an image on a TV, your image will still remain with the same size, 200 pixels. If you're even seeing it on your mobile phone as well, it will still remain 200 pixels. So it will be a huge image. It will look like a very huge image in your mobile phone. It will look like a very small image on your TV, guys. Okay, so that is the main problem. It will always remain the fixed size of 200 pixels, guys. 200 pixels. Now we are going to learn something more about your relative units of measurements, guys. Okay. What if the screen size is less than the image size? The image will just go outside the screen. Okay, the image will just go outside the screen. So right over here, guys, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to learn about relative unit of measurement. Relative unit of measurement. The first thing that we are going to use is percentage. Okay, the first thing that we are going to use is percentage right over here, guys. Percentage is very important. Okay, so right over here, guys, percentage is very important. Okay, so this percentage basically tells, for example, if I'm writing that a particular object is 50%, has a width of 50%, guys, width width of 50%. That means that it is 50%. It is, guys, my health is not that great. I'm not able to speak more. So can we take up the attendance right now? Okay, will that be fine? I'm not able to speak more, guys. My throat is paining a bit. Can we stop the class right over here, take up the attendance, and continue from tomorrow onwards? Will that be fine, guys? Because the more that I'm trying to speak, the more it is feeling as if it is just opening up. So that is the reason why. Let me show you guys the attendance for today, guys. Do not worry. I will show you guys the attendance for today. No matter how bad my health is, you will always have your classes. You don't have to worry about it. That is my first priority. You guys are my first priority. Okay. Only in the case that I'm not able to get up from my bed, only in that particular case, I will not be able to take up your class. Otherwise, your class will always go on. You don't have to worry about it. So I'm giving you guys the attendance link, guys, as well as I've provided you guys with the registration link for the future boot camps as well. So you are having time up till 9 o'clock to fill this attendance link. You're having a time up till 9 o'clock to finish this attendance link, guys. Please try to finish the attendance link up till 9 o'clock. Okay. Please try to finish the attendance link up till 9 o'clock, guys. Okay, I will meet you guys tomorrow again at 8:30 and we'll continue our class from right over there. Okay, so please fill up your attendance link using your internet itself by 9 o'clock. Okay, at 9 o'clock, the attendance link will be closed, guys. By 9 o'clock, the attendance link will be closed, guys. Okay. So, so can I register for more than one bootcamp? Of course, you can register for as many bootcamps as possible. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, how's the Ant-Man movie? It was good. It is a watchable movie. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.